Guys, I'm going to make some hot chocolate drinks. Let's go to step one. So first, we are going to use some chocolate pulp.
Yeah. We're gonna make some. What's this? Popsicle.
A pulp.
Chocolate popsicle. We're gonna put some chocolate drink here. Then put this here. Then pour it. Then pour it. A bit. So that it's level. Just normal level of sugar, not too many. Then hot water. Chocolate drink, that's the first thing you need to do before making the cold chocolate drink, because if you JR come here, we just learned that the warmer the water, the faster it freezes. So what did I just said? The warmer
The water, the faster.
Here. Looks dirty though, but still we're gonna do this thing. There you have. So we're gonna wait for about 5 hours. So finally we're done.
Yay!
And you get, wow, the finished product. Nice popsicle. Let's see. Whoa! Chocolate bar. Thanks for watching.